Dodge the bullet. Understanding a popular English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating and commonly used English idiom, dodge the bullet. This phrase is not only interesting but also widely used in daily conversation, movies, and literature. So, let's get started and explore what it means to dodge the bullet. The phrase, dodge the bullet, is an idiom used to express narrowly avoiding a very serious or negative situation. Imagine a bullet being shot at someone, and they move out of the way just in time. In real life, this idiom is used metaphorically to describe situations where someone avoids a problem or danger in a way that is often surprising or unexpected. Understanding the origins of this idiom can help us appreciate its use. The phrase likely comes from old Western movies or stories where characters literally dodged bullets during gunfights. This dramatic visualization has evolved into a metaphor for avoiding danger or problems in everyday life. To better understand how to use dodge the bullet, let's look at some examples. 1. I almost bought a car that turned out to be a lemon. I really dodged a bullet there. 2. She was almost caught in a major scam, but thankfully, she dodged the bullet. 3. We dodged a bullet when that storm missed our town. Notice how in each of these sentences, the phrase is used to express relief from avoiding a bad situation. When using this idiom, remember it's typically used in past tense, as it refers to avoiding a problem that has already passed. Saying, I will dodge the bullet, doesn't quite capture the essence of the idiom, which is about narrowly escaping a problem. And that's our quick guide to understanding the idiom, dodge the bullet. We hope this video helps you grasp not just the meaning but also the context in which this phrase is used. Remember, idioms are a fun and essential part of learning English, adding color to our conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.